Participating in the ICTalent Awards requires discipline, creativity, and verve. Once registration is closed, the process of selecting the best ideas for the grand finale starts. Fontys ICT students try to impress the jury in the prelims in order to secure a spot in the semifinals.
Ja, het is toch wel een leuke happening.
Het was super zenuwslopend.
Het is altijd wel redelijk spannend.
Maar ik was ook echt heel erg enthousiast, dus het was ook echt heel erg leuk tegelijkertijd.
Today was amazing. I learned a lot from all the feedback and everything from the judges.
We hebben een heel vet product gemaakt eigenlijk, waar we het afgelopen half jaar mee bezig zijn geweest. En dat idee wouden we gewoon heel graag delen.
Ik heb zo omver geblazen.
All participants apply the finishing touches to their final pitches.
De presentatie kan net iets beter.
Oh, how to not forget some stuff and make public not being bored but interested in my talk.
They receive professional pitch training from theater director Michael Diederich.
Yeah, it's an essential skill. We have to give constant presentations with our teams these days. You make an impact depending on the contact you have with that person. It's super important.
Pitchen zelf vind ik wel tof. Het is altijd even spannend om naar voren te komen, maar je moet het gewoon even doen. En zodra je er helemaal staat, dan ga je er gewoon voor.
And my magic wand is humor.
But I saw you drink and there was like a smile on your face like, I can't believe I'm doing this, right?
In the semifinals, the participants battle it out for a place in the grand finale. The strict jury selects the finalists based on various criteria.
So today I especially looked at the teams that were interesting to me as a consumer, but also as a company.
Is it a good idea? Does it appeal to you? Does it give you a certain emotion? And does it really solve an end user's problem?
So I'm looking forward to the prototypes as well.
The finalists attend workshops to make their concepts finale-proof. They work on their prototypes and receive training in generating as much exposure as possible.
Ze hebben natuurlijk geweldige projecten neergezet al. Sterk op de techniek, sterk op ICT.
En nu zijn we bezig om te kijken hoe zij zelf een campagne kunnen opzetten om hun product aan de man te brengen. Niet zozeer kijken functioneel naar het product, maar wat het product nou ook daadwerkelijk iets toevoegt voor anderen.
Then it is time. The stage. The spotlights. The audience. The grand finale. Who will be the winner?